Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is Blossom Kitchen. Thank you all for tuning in and spending your time to cook with me. Today, I'm going to show you something truly amazing. How to make super seasoning or sweetener from catfish head. Instead of tossing the catfish head in the trash, why not turn it into a flavorful ingredient that will uplift your soups and dishes taste naturally? Let's dive in to see how the magic happens. First thing first, I place the washed catfish head into a pot. Then I add seasoning. And salt and a little quantity of water and cover it up to cook. After about 10 minutes, I flip it over to ensure it cooks evenly. Now, since the catfish head is big, it needs some time to cook properly. We let it go for about 20 minutes before taking it off the heat. Once it's done, I let it cool down completely before the next step. Now that the catfish head has cooled down, let's debone it. I've thoroughly washed my hands. If you prefer, you can wear gloves for this step, but since this recipe is for my family, I'm using my bare hand and gently start to debone the fish, as you can see. Tips for keeping this recipe fresh. Number 1, ensure you cover it tightly before you store in your refrigerator. Preferably store it in your deep freezer to keep it as fresh as when it was prepared. Number 2, ensure to use a clean spoon to scoop out the quantity you love to use for your cooking. Don't use dirty spoon. Don't use bare hand. This will make your sweetener to last longer for you. Number 3, please be careful with catfish bones. They are very strong and it can hurt, so ensure you are very careful when handling the bones. Thank you. Now here is a question for you. What do you think I will do with all these bones? Please pause the video and drop your guesses in the comments below before continuing. Alright, I'm going to use a little water to wash off all the goodness stuck to the bones. As you can see here, take a look. So after washing it off, I mix everything together, the deboned fish and the fish stock. And now we are ready for the next step. Now, I divide the mixed fish into 2 separate plates. one plate for grinding and the other for leaving as it is. So after sharing the fish stock equally into the 2 plates, I take 1 plate, pour the fish into the blender, add sliced onions, and blend it until smooth. Once that's done, I empty the blended content into a pot on the stove and let it cook on a low heat until the water content dries up. I stir occasionally to prevent burning. Meanwhile, in a separate pot, I do the same with the other plate of fish, cooking it on a low heat as well. While our stock is cooking, I want to share something important. These sweeteners can greatly enhance the flavor of your soups and meals. You can use either the smooth or the rough version, depending on your dish. Personally, I love the rough one for my vegetable soups like egusi or ogbono soup, and the smooth one works great for moi moi, tomato stew, jollof rice, and more. Which one do you think will work best for your meals? Let me know in the comments. Now take a look at my smooth seasoning. It's thick, full of flavor, and incredibly nutritious. It's ready. I'm going to take it off the heat and let it cool down. Let's also check on the other one. And yep, it's ready too. Now we just need to let both of them cool down. Alright, now that both of them have cooled down, it's time to store them. I gently scoop the sweet goodness into a plate, as you can see me do. Then I add a little vegetable oil on top and cover it. I do the same for the other batch. And voila, we've got 2 versions of Catfish Head sweetener ready to use. I tell you, with this in my fridge, my soup always tastes incredible with that authentic local aroma. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative ways to make the most out of your kitchen leftovers. What will you use your catfish head sweetener for? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Lest I forget, the main recipe, which is the catfish pepper soup, is in the link below. You can check it up. Thanks for watching. I see you in my next video.